In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page description and about info in Facebook. This is a simple but important step if you want people to quickly understand who you are, what you do, or what your page is about. A clear description can help you look more professional, attract the right audience, and make your profile easier to recognize. First, start by going to your Facebook profile or page. If you're on a computer, open your web browser, go to Facebook, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture or the name of your page, usually at the top of the screen or in the sidebar. Click on it to open your main profile or page view. If you're using the mobile app, tap the menu icon or your profile picture, then select your profile or the page you manage. Once you're on your profile or page, the next step is to click on the About section. On desktop, you'll usually see an About tab under your cover photo or in the left-hand menu. Click that to open the area where your basic details are stored. On mobile, you may need to scroll a bit to find the About section, then tap it to open. Inside the About section, Facebook will guide you with on-screen prompts. These are simple instructions and fields where you can type in your information. Look for areas like description, about, or similar text fields. Click or tap into the field and write a short, clear summary of what your profile or page represents. For example, you might describe your business, your content focus, or your role. Aim for something easy to understand at a glance. As you follow the on-screen prompts, Facebook may ask you to confirm or save your changes. Take a moment to read what you've written, check for spelling, and make sure it sounds like you. When you're happy with it, click or tap the save button so your new description and about info are stored and visible to visitors. After saving, go back to your profile or page view and quickly review how everything looks. Make sure the description appears the way you expect and that it represents you or your brand accurately. You can always return to the About section later to update or